Èwo lè bú sẹ́ láìkì ẹ̀ ni. Àjọ ń gbádùn ara wa ni. Àjọ ń gbádùn ara wa ni. Àjọ ń láìkì ẹ̀ ni tó ń wo eléyìí. Ẹ wò ó. Mo tún mú mi wá. Tún jẹ́ àjọ gbọ́ sí eléyìí náà wò. Kí ló rí bẹ́ẹ̀? Fi kọ́mẹ́ǹtì ẹ̀ sí.
Every day, 4 hours in traffic for 5. I don't know how people in Lagos survive. Every day, 4 hours in traffic for 5 days. I don't know if Saturday and Sunday are enough for them to rest. That's why I feel that all those that have lived in Lagos for 20 years should just go straight to heaven because they have already lived in hell.
Everything is campaigning on is Lagos. As if in the last 100 years, Lagos has seen nothing like him. But we, as Lagosians, whether indigenous or not indigenous of Lagos, we as Lagosians, we need to set the record straight. I'm almost 60 years old, grew up on the island. I don't remember a road on the island that was not tarred. I want anybody to challenge me to that. I don't remember a road on Lagos Island that was not tarred. Is it Tokumbo? Is it Bangboshe? Is it Olushi? Is it Glover? Is it Bosh? They'll tell me. Is that Lagos was developed by Tîñúbü, who happens to be the candidate of my party. That is unacceptable. I believe you've been in Lagos for at least more than 25 years, meaning from 1999. Lagos has always been, if you call New York, you call Paris, you call London, you call Lagos. Lagos has been there. The school he went to in Lagos, did he build it? Where he was born, did he build the hospital? So let us be clear about politics here. It's our own heritage. It's our own heritage. That's how our pedigree comes from there. So let nobody ride the rush on our back about who developed Lagos.
So what is going on here? I mean, people thought that every APC member in Lagos are on the same page on this campaign, but it appears not.
You see, on the same page for the candidate as it is now. But if we start bringing lies, as that misrepresentation, Jakande was in government for 4 years and 2 or 3 months. The records are there. You know what he did? Shagari was the same time. There's a Shagari estate in Kwaja. Jakande built his own. The federal government built his own through Abdosumu there. They don't call it Jakande estate. Is that the people that succeeded Ashwaju, BRF succeeded him, his 8 years was more visible than Bola Tinubu's 8 years.